We're doing a pipe with barrel vault. We can go ahead and do the following steps. Have our pipe here, we're going to cut out our pipe. Then we'll take a mallet and go ahead and flatten out that panel. Then we're going to go ahead and throw some caulking along the sides and bottoms of that hole. Then we'll go ahead and take our pipe jack and anything behind the coursing, we're going to fold over on itself to create a water stop. That way we don't get any water coming up behind it. Then we'll lay that in the caulking. You see here. And we can go ahead, throw some fasteners down into that caulking. We'll take our second panel and come over the top. We're going to cut out around our pipe. And we'll go ahead and fasten that as normal. Once we get it all fastened, we're going to go ahead and come back with our caulking. Caulk those fasteners and also caulk around your pipe. And we'll follow that up by putting some of our granules from our touch-up kit into that caulking all the way around.